Let's look at wildcard in MySQL. Wildcard is provided to help us fetch or to filter easily. Sometimes you might think that you can select complex data using only select and where. Sometimes it is not that easy. So wildcard helps us to do this. MySQL provide the wildcard for you to construct some pattern. And we have two types of wildcard, the percentage wildcard and the underscore wildcard. The percentage is used to match any string of 0 or more character, while the underscore matches any single character. Okay, so the best way to show this is to practicalize it, is to demonstrate it. Let's see something. Now, before we do that, let's see in NotWin database. Let's check the orders table. You can see this. For instance, I may want to have order the customer ID, anything that has M or anything that has NA. I can use wildcard to do that for any reason that is best known to me. What will I do? I will say where, then I measure the column's name, which is customer ID, like, let me say OM, like OM. See? Notice shown to me. Because the meaning of this means that what you are saying, this start with OM, it ends with OM. If I select this, I can run only this. Though I have everything like this, I can run only this by clicking on this. Look at this. If I pick this now, it's okay because I am aware of this. If I run this, I will have all of them like this. But it's because this is the start and this is the end. So what we are telling the system, anything that starts with T and ends with P and have all this pattern, no change in the pattern. But sometimes things are not always built like this. You can see we have T here, we have T here. I can tell the system anything that has T, wherever there is T, please make it available. And if I put it like this, it's not possible. This one means only T, just like this one said only this and not the S. For you to have the variation, you use the word the percentile. If I put percentile here now, I'm saying anything can be here, either 0, 1 character, many character, 200 character, but the end must be T. That is the meaning of this. Let's see. See, all the end must be T. Okay, must match T. If I remove this now, I am saying it must start with T. Then any other thing can be here. It can be 0 character or no character. Can be 1 character, 2 characters, 3 characters, and so on and so forth. If I run this now, that means it must start with T. You see? The same thing with OR, for instance. I can put OR here first. If I leave it like this, OR, it means it is only OR, not the S should be there. If I run this, if I say, okay, it must start with OR, but any other thing can follow, I cannot put what? The percentile. Mean start with OR, then anything can be here. That 1 character, 2 characters, many characters. Nothing like that. I can also go back here now. I say, okay, anything can be before OR, but OR won't be the end. Is there anything like that? Yeah, there's something like that. See? Anything can come before OR, but OR must be the end. But if I say, okay, I don't actually care. Anything can be before OR, anything can be after OR. And if there is nothing before or after, I'm saying okay. Meaning, because this percentile means 0 character. That means possible nothing should be before the OR or nothing should be after OR or something can be there. See the variation? There's big variation there. So if I run this now, I have what? OR, 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 OR. See? Either here in between. This is the last OR in this particular one. This is in between the last OR. See, OR say depends. So this gives the variation. But for instance, assume I want to pick only 1 character after OR. I put underscore here. Let me show you what I'm saying. Nothing is selected. Okay, let me show you something. If I run this, I want to take this pattern I put here first. Okay, I know that this is common. If I put underscore here, why am I still having this? Because this one represents one character, any one character. And here it happened to be T. Okay. If I put here now, let's see, let me first of all bring that OR. If I run this, I have all this, right? Okay, now OR is like this. We have OR in between. We have OR here at the end. Okay. I want to put a percenter here. Put before OR. What I'm saying, I only want one character before OR. Then any other thing can be after OR, or OR can be the end of this pattern. That is the meaning of this. Remember, either 1, either 0, or more. For this guy, say it must be 1, only 1 and only 1. Cannot be more than 1. Single character. So what I'm going to do now is to run this. That means what you should be watching out like this, something like this. This one is the last one here. This is 1, 2, 3. This is not one character. This one will not appear. This one definitely will appear, this M, because M is just one character. Then we have OR. Then we have GK. And GK, anything can be after OR. That is the meaning of this. But this one, only one T must be before OR. Let's see. Look at it. This OR, only one T. This OR, only M. Okay. This OR, T. OR. See, only one character must be before OR. That is the meaning of this underscore. You see? So don't forget, this is for one character. This is for 0 or more characters. These are the 2 wildcards we use. The remaining one, we are going to play with some challenges and solutions. Hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you for viewing.